A super convenient pack. These picnic table covers, if you've ever had a picnic outdoors before for a family gathering or with friends, you know how annoying it can be with having your picnic table cover fly away in the wind. We've always put like little water bottles to weigh everything down, food, but once you move something, it gets away. The material feels, doesn't feel like plastic. It feels more like a textured tarp. Feel. So you can see that it's got this elastic just like it shows online, and because it's this plastic, it's waterproof, this vinyl material. And I specifically got this green color for Mother's Day because we wanted to have this Hawaiian theme, so the green matches well with the rest of our design. So it's good if you want to do a themed party. This sage green matches kind of leaf colors and different tropical colors. So if you've got balloons, it'll match. And this is specifically the large size. So we can't wait to put this on the bench. It has the tabletop cover and the bench. It's great that it comes with this carrying pouch that I remember using in high school and one shoes. You remember that? So it comes folded like this with the two bench covers inside matching. And you can definitely feel it's similar to a vinyl material. It's not that cheap rippable plastic that you get at like dollar stores. So it'll last a long time. And I would not throw this in a washing machine, but you can easily wipe this off. And because of the price is so affordable, if this breaks, you just get a new one instead of throwing this in your washer. So this is the medium cover, and the bag is bigger than the size of the covers. So you don't really have to worry about folding it back into a compact cover. So you can see it fits in there really easily. You could probably throw other stuff in there. So can I see what the material is made out of here? Well, they actually give you washing instructions, so you can wash it. I wouldn't even bother washing it, but if you want to reuse this and wash it, machine wash cold. You can even iron on low heat and low tumble dry. Obviously, do not bleach. I don't know why you would bleach one of these, but that's it. That's the pack. We can't wait to use this at the picnic tomorrow. If you like reviews like this, I hope this one was helpful. Consider following my page for more reviews just like this. Thanks for your time.